Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today it is what's sold on eBay for the week of May 16th through May 22nd. So I am putting this out on a Thursday. I usually put my what's sold out on Wednesday. I am a day late. I was fiddle farting around at the casino the last couple days, making a bunch of money down there. I put a little video on Facebook just for fun. But anyways, eBay sales have been slower than usual around this time. But with everything going on in the world, gas prices, inflation, and all that, you can expect everything to be slow for probably till after the summer. So get ready for it. I mean, what I'm going to do to fight it is I'm just going to start listing a ton of stuff. I did pick up another batch of toys from my toy guy, and I've actually gone to the swap meet a few times. So I'll have a swap meet video and a toy pickup video coming out in the next few days. So yeah, I'm just stocking up on a lot of stuff, and I'm going to start listing a lot of stuff, and that should tide me over till hopefully eBay starts picking up again. Anyways, I got this little guy, this little cherry cupcake. I showed him in a haul video the other day. This is from Best Made Toys. Yeah. I just thought he would make a cute little thumbnail. He's cute, so I decided to do him. Anyways, let's get into the numbers. Alright, report for May 16th through May 22nd. Total sales of $1,568.97, which was 23% down from last week, unfortunately. Under my goal of 2,000 a week, but what can you do? You can't force people to buy, right? I mean, I can try, but I don't think it'll work. Selling costs of $365.83. Net sales of $1,108.62. Only 65 items sold this week. That's way low. I usually sell that on a weekend. Average sale price per item is $24.14, which again is low. Alright, we'll hit the collectibles and everything else, and then we'll hit the plush at the end, just like normal. The first item, this is a Boston Celtics NBA green towel. Got this off of Kohl's, and again, talk about Kohl's all the time. They give you percentage off. If you use Rakuten, they give you another percentage off. If you use their credit card, they sometimes give you another percentage off and free shipping. So when you go to Kohl's, get all the discounts possible. I mean, these towels came up for, I believe they had paid $3 for them after everything's said and done. They are selling now. Boston Celtics look like they're going to the NBA Finals, so people are buying them. I have one left, 3 sold, and they're selling for $23.79. Alright, the next one. Another one I got from Kohl's. This is a Disney Minnie Mouse hooded beach bath wrap. You can see the Minnie Mouse thing goes over the kid's head and it wraps up. I think it has a tail too, yeah. It has a little tail on it too. Again, I got these from Kohl's a couple of years ago, and they're selling steadily. 5 sold so far, and I have 5 left. And they're selling for $21.24. Next one. This is a Funko Pop Star Wars Gaming Greats. Actually got this one by accident. I bought a bunch of 6 of these. And they were chase versions in the mix that I purchased. I had no idea there was going to be any chase versions mixed in. I got a sale on them at Gamestop, so I just told them to give me 6, and they were in sealed boxes, and I had no idea there were chase versions in there, and 2 of them just turned out to be chase versions, and so they sold for $50.99. And I have one more, but the box has a little bit of a ding on it, so I had to list it separately. But super lucky on that. Next one, G.I. Joe Classic Collection, U.S. Navy Blue Angels. This again I got from my toy guy. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link one at the end. But yeah, see if I have a open box. You can see what the guy looks like. Oh, I didn't open the box. I have it open here, but you only see a shoulder. Maybe that's why it didn't sell so fast. Anyways, it sold for $36.54. Funko Pop and Tea black and white T-shirt. This is a Catwoman exclusive from Gamestop. Got these for a couple dollars each. You can see it has like a little Funko on it, and it has the T-shirt in the box. Fortunately, these boxes get super damaged, so you have to really put it in a decent box, or these will get damaged again, because these boxes are like, you squish them and they get dented. Anyways, this sold for $23.79. Scarecrow Batman from the animated series, just a little action figure. He has a crow. Look at that. He's got a crow. And is that a sickle? Yeah, thrashing sickle. My bad. Didn't know it was a thrashing sickle. But one person bought him, and they purchased this guy over here. Flapping man bat. Look at that guy's face. His wings actually flap when you play with them. So he paid $33 for him and paid $33 for him. So nice little sale on those guys. Jada Toys Dub City vehicles. This is a Scion. I've talked about Scions before. They are super popular right now. I don't know why. I guess people love the Scions. This is a black Scion with some silver rims. This guy went for $45.89. Crazy price on a little car. Borderlands 3. Talked about pins before, how I love pins. They're super cheap when you get them on sale. And this is just a set of 3 that I got from my GameStop clearance sale at 90%. They sold for $25.49 for the set of 3. Toy Biz Marvel Iron Man. This is Crimson Dynamo with blasting action. You can see he's kind of weird looking. I don't know who Crimson Dynamo is, but that's him, I guess. Anyways, he sold for $21.24. Star Trek Kirk Handmade by Robots. These were a mistake. If I went back, I would never have purchased these. I only paid a few dollars for them, but they take forever to sell. These are Handmade by Robots. I don't think I've ever found a Handmade by Robots knit series that's actually sold very well. So, I mean, it's not really knit. It's looks like knit, but I believe it's just plastic. And yeah, they do not sell very well. They sell very slowly, and yeah, I would avoid these at all costs. And I've had to avoid them plenty of times. I mean, people have thrown them at me many times. Yeah, I'll give it to $1 each, and it's like, nah, I just don't want them to take up the space. Anyways, this one sold for $16.99. So if you find a bunch of them, look them up if you want, but I do avoid these now. Funko Pop Gossamer Space Jam. This one I just took a flyer on it. Gossamer is a super great character from the Looney Tunes series. So anytime you find anything Gossamer, it sells really fast for really good money. I know this Space Jam movie was a complete flop and a failure, but I still bought this Gossamer character because it's Gossamer. Like I said, they are super. He is a super wanted character, and it still paid off. I paid $11 each for the pops. I believe I purchased 3, got 1 free for $11.99. So paid around $10 each, and they sold for $28.04. So not a ton of money, but I took the flyer on it, and it paid off a little bit. All right, into the plush. Well, one doll first. This is a FisherPrice Little Mommy So Pink. Baby doll, has like strawberries and roses on it. Not the greatest doll person, as you know if you've watched me in the past. But yeah, anytime I get a doll, in one of the lots that I buy, or I mean, I list it all the time. This one sold for $20.39. Boyd's Bear. This is Pig Caitlin McSwine the second, with maroon overalls. You can see it has Boyd's Bear's bear wear on it. And it's just a plink. It's just a pink pig with a maroon bow on it and maroon pants. I always put red because yeah, who puts maroon in the title? So yeah, this one sold for $15.29. I do have maroon in the title, but I put red in the item specifics. So looking for either one, you will find it. Disney Goofy. Goofy's been selling well for me now. Usually Goofy takes a while to sell, but I've sold 3 or 4 Goofies in the past 2 weeks. So if you have any Goofies, get them up. It's taken me a while to sell these guys, but now they're starting to sell. So make sure you get some of these Goofies up if you have them, and just throwing them aside because they haven't been selling well. Well, get some of them up. They might sell for you. This one is a large one, and it sold for $19.54, so not great, but hey, they're selling now. Wild Republic Hanging Monkey Gorilla. I always put gorilla and monkey in the title. Anytime there's a monkey or a gorilla, I put both in the title. Sometimes I put ape, depends if I can fit it or not. This one sold for $19.54. You can see he has a nice plastic face. I just listed him maybe 2 weeks ago, so he has not been up very long at all. So someone was looking for this Wild Republic monkey. Disneyland Black. Oh, got a new offer over here. Disneyland Winnie the Pooh Tigger. Tigger's been selling for me too. I sold 3 Tiggers in the past 2 weeks, so you want to get Tigger up, go ahead. I have so many Tiggers, it's ridiculous, so I am super happy when they sell. This guy is 15 inches tall, has the curly tail on him. You can see right there, has a curly tail on him, and he has a tag that isn't the greatest, but anyways, he sold for $18.69. Plush Bullfrogs from Russ. These are super tiny. They're about 3 inches, 3 to 4, depending on the one. The one with the bunny slippers, I believe, was like 4. This guy is 3, and this guy is like 2.5 to 3. So they were super tiny. They were just leftovers from stuff that I had. Like, I throw it on the side, and when I get enough of them, I just list them as a lot. This set sold for $14.44, and one of these is musical. That one's just crazy looking. Has his eyes bulging out of his head. But yeah, funny little frogs, and I make sets all the time. Fiesta Blue Penguin. This one has like a glitter eyes. It wasn't a special penguin. I've had him for a few years, probably hanging around for like 4 or 5 years. So decided to take $16.14 for him, even though he's a bigger penguin. Yeah, just wanted to get rid of him. He was taking up a lot of space in my bird bin. So time to get rid of him. Superman DC Comics Justice League. These don't sell very high at all. Most of these little like Funko or Justice League, or there's Stubbins. There's a whole bunch of these little character tiny toys that are about like this. They don't usually sell for a ton of money. You usually only going to get like 15, maybe 20 on really special ones, but yeah. Anyways, he sold for $14.44. I should probably start making lots of these guys and selling them for like $30. Squishmallow Bufinda, the Rainbow Skeleton. This guy, I've had him for a long time. I bought him right before October or Halloween ended. I'm trying to think of Halloween. right before Halloween ended, so I bought a ton of these guys, thinking they would go up in value, and all of a sudden they started to sell. I haven't sold any up until the last 2 weeks. Now I've sold all 5 that I purchased or that I found during Halloween. It's just a skeleton, rainbow face, rainbow bones, and black. Talked about Squishmallows. They are flooded right now, so don't go into just buying the generic ones and trying to flip them, especially the Disney ones. The Disney ones are super oversaturated, like Donald and Daisy and Mickey and Minnie. Don't go into those hoping to sell them right away, because you're going to be holding on to them for probably like 2-3 years like I'm going to. Anyways, they are selling for $37.39. Yellow duck. This is a big old duck that I got out of, I believe this was a mystery box. But he is a monster. You can see he's got big old feet and a nice orange bow. He was 30 inches long, so pretty big duck. I just folded him in half, tucked him in a big old bag. He barely made it under 16 ounces, so I'm glad he wasn't a fat duck. And then he sold for $42.49. Valentine's Day frog. This guy was pretty big, but I've had him for a long time, so I have not fixed the pictures. You can see the pictures are just bad. He is bright on one side, and the other, I don't even know how he's sold. I do have to fix a lot of my toys that I have that have been up for like 5-6 years. But yeah, anyways, yeah, you can see right there, it's just bright. You can barely see how tall he is. But I'm glad he's gone. Like I said, I've had him for a long time, and he sold for $16.23. One more Squishmallow sold. This is a Halloween Squishmallow. Again, after Halloween, I bought a bunch of these guys. This one I think I got for Walgreens for a couple bucks. It's just an octopus, different colored, and orange face. A really cute one. It is about 14 inches tall. It says 16 on the tag, so that's what I put on the tag. And he sold for $39.09. You can see I bought a bunch of them. I still have 9 available. I might have more. Last but not least, this is Disney Store Gus from Cinderella. This one does not have a t-shirt. I've had a problem getting rid of this guy. I have sold him 3 times, and every single time they've canceled the order. This is the first time I actually got to mail him out, to ship him out, and hopefully he stays gone. I don't know why the orders keep getting canceled on this guy. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Catch you later. Bye.